This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron formal shirts and pants. Start with a clean, dry ironing board and a reliable iron. Make sure your iron is filled with distilled water to avoid any water spots on your garments. Always check the care labels on your formal shirt and pants to set the correct temperature. This crucial first step ensures you protect your clothing and achieve the best results. A little preparation goes a long way for a perfectly pressed look. For your formal shirt, always start with the collar, pressing from the underside first. Then, tackle the cuffs, ensuring they are perfectly flat on both sides. Next, lay each sleeve flat and iron carefully, avoiding a harsh crease down the middle. Finally, iron the main body of the shirt in sections, moving smoothly from the top to the bottom. This systematic approach guarantees a wrinkle-free finish. When ironing formal pants, begin by turning them inside out to press the pockets and waistband. Then, lay one pant leg flat, carefully aligning the inseam and outseam to create a sharp crease. Press firmly from the top down, maintaining that crisp line. Repeat this exact process for the second pant leg, ensuring both creases are perfectly symmetrical. This method delivers a professional, tailored appearance. After ironing, immediately hang your formal shirt on a sturdy hanger to prevent new wrinkles. For your pants, use a proper pant hanger to maintain those sharp creases. It is essential to let both garments cool down completely for about 10 to 15 minutes before wearing or storing them. This allows the fabric to set, ensuring your hard work lasts and your formal wear looks impeccable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.